If you go through the service information looking at the ride height measurement process, it can be rather daunting. X angles, Z angles, A, B, and C measurements. Well, you probably don't have time to do that in the shop. But if you're inspecting a vehicle, it's critical that you look at the ride height to assess the condition of the ride control and also the springs on the vehicle. My method for inspecting the ride height of the vehicle, I'd like to call it comparative analysis. In other words, I'm taking a measurement from one side of the vehicle and comparing it to the other. I'm not really measuring in meters or inches. I'm making sure that those measurements match from side to side. In other words, if something's off by 10 millimeters, I know that there may be an issue with either the spring or the ride control component. For instance, you can use the lower control arm on a vehicle and measure at the bolt on the front of the control arm, and then compare it side to side. Anything greater than, let's say, 7 millimeters or 10 millimeters in difference, it could indicate that there's an issue with the spring. But for a quick analysis, look at the vehicle, look at the pinch hole, and compare side to side. This may give you an idea if there is an issue with the ride control on the vehicle. By doing these very, very simple measurements, you have something to go to the customer to help inform them about the condition of the ride control components on their vehicle. This way they can make an informed decision, and they'll probably select to have the loaded struts installed on their vehicle. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.